Compassion Beyond Borders, or CBB, provides educational scholarships to impoverished girls in Latin America, East Africa, and South Asia. In addition, they run 2 hostels in Meru, Kenya for girls who are orphaned, abandoned, or living in dangerous situations. To help provide food for the hostel girls, CBB purchased land on which the girls plant and harvest beans and corn. Today, the girls have gathered for the corn harvest. It is healthy for the girls to do what they can to provide for themselves so that not everything is a handout. Working together also helps create a strong sense of community. The first step in harvesting the corn is to husk it right on the stalk and toss the cob into the center of the rows. The corn kernels are dry and hard, so are not damaged by being exposed. When all the corn has been picked, the cobs are consolidated into piles. The corn is then loaded into sacks. Tarps are spread out to hold the corn where it will finish the drying process. After a successful harvest, the girls will return to the hostels to celebrate with a good meal.